Tying your shoes, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase, tie your shoes. This phrase is not only practical in daily life but also a great way to expand your English vocabulary and understanding of instructions. Let's dive in. Tie your shoes is a phrase that means to fasten or secure your shoes using the laces. It's a common instruction or reminder, especially for children or before engaging in activities like running or hiking. This phrase is often used in a literal sense but can also be metaphorical, implying getting ready or preparing for an activity. 1. Tie. This verb means to fasten or bind together by looping and knotting. In our context, it refers to making a knot with shoelaces. 2. Your. A possessive adjective, indicating that the shoes belong to the person being addressed. 3. Shoes. Footwear that covers the foot, often having a sole and laces. Let's learn how to tie shoes. 1. Hold a lace in each hand. Start with the basic laces hanging on either side of the shoe. 2. Cross the laces. Cross them over each other to form an X. 3. Make a loop with each lace. This is often called bunny ears. 4. Cross the loops and pull. Secure them by pulling the loops tight. 5. Finish with a bow. This keeps the shoes tied and comfortable to walk in. Not pulling laces tight enough. This can cause shoes to become loose and untied. Tying too tight. This can be uncomfortable. Aim for a snug, not tight, fit. Forgetting to double knot. A double knot can prevent laces from coming undone easily. I hope this video makes the phrase, tie your shoes, clear and easy to understand. Remember, practice makes perfect, especially with language and tying shoes. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.